Hi there, cat lovers. Have you ever wondered if your cat is hiding pain? Cats are masters at concealing discomfort. In the wild, showing pain could make them a target. But as loving cat parents, it's our job to notice when something's wrong. Today, we're diving deep into the subtle signs that can help you tell if your cat is in pain. And don't worry, I'll guide you through it all in a friendly, easy-to-understand way. Why do cats hide pain? First, let's understand why cats are so good at hiding pain. Cats are both predators and prey. In the wild, looking weak can invite danger, so they've evolved it to mask discomfort. Even if your cat lives indoors, this instinct remains strong. But just because they're hiding pain doesn't mean it's not there. Behavior changes. The first clue that your cat might be in pain is a change in behavior. Has your once social kitty started hiding? Maybe they're avoiding you or their favorite spots. A cat that loves being in the sun might suddenly prefer dark corners. This isn't just a mood swing. It could mean they're trying to protect themselves while they're not feeling well. Pay attention to activity levels too. A playful cat might become less active. They may lose interest in toys or climbing furniture. On the other hand, some cats might become restless. They may pace around or seem unable to get comfortable. These shifts are important to notice. Posture and movement. Next, take a closer look at how your cat is sitting or moving. A cat in pain often changes their posture. Do they look hunched or stiff? Are they holding their body differently? You might see them lying in unusual positions. For example, a cat with abdominal pain might stretch out more, or they might curl up tightly to protect a sore area. Watch them as they walk or jump. Limping is an obvious sign, but even subtle changes, like hesitating before jumping, could indicate pain. Vocalization, let's talk about sound. Cats are usually creatures of habit when it comes to their voices. So, any change in their vocalization can be a clue. Is your quiet cat suddenly meowing a lot? Are they growling, hissing, or yowling without a clear reason? These sounds could mean they're uncomfortable. On the flip side, a normally chatty cat might go silent. They may be too preoccupied with their pain to communicate as usual. Pay close attention to when they vocalize. For instance, if they cry out when you pick them up, it might mean a specific area hurts. Changes in appetite. Have you noticed a difference in your cat's eating habits? Pain can make eating uncomfortable or even impossible. A cat in pain might eat less or skip meals altogether. They may also drink less water, which can lead to dehydration. This is especially concerning because dehydration can worsen their condition. On the other hand, some cats might eat more. This could be a way of self-soothing or distracting themselves from the discomfort. Changes in appetite are always worth investigating. Grooming habits. Grooming is another big clue. Cats are usually meticulous groomers. So when they stop grooming, it's a red flag. A lack of grooming might make their fur look messy or greasy. On the flip side, over-grooming can also signal pain. Cats might lick or chew a specific area if it hurts. This can lead to bald patches or irritated skin. Pay attention to where they're grooming. It might give you a hint about the source of their discomfort. Litter box behavior. Let's not forget the litter box. Pain can affect how your cat uses it. Are they avoiding the litter box entirely? Or do they seem to strain or cry out while using it? This could point to issues like urinary tract infections or constipation. Accidents outside the box are also a common sign of distress. Never scold your cat for this behavior. Instead, see it as a signal that something might be wrong. Facial expressions. Did you know cats have subtle facial expressions that can indicate pain? Their eyes, ears, and whiskers can tell you a lot. Dilated pupils or squinting might mean they're hurting. Their ears might flatten or swivel back more than usual, and their whiskers could be pulled back against their face. These changes are small but significant. Breathing patterns. Watch your cat's breathing. Is it faster or more shallow than normal? Are they panting even when they're not hot? Abnormal breathing patterns can be a sign of pain or discomfort. This is especially true for conditions like respiratory issues or chest pain. How to respond. So you've noticed some of these signs. What should you do next? The first step is to call your vet. Describe the changes you've observed in as much detail as possible. Your vet might ask questions about their behavior, eating habits, and movements. They may recommend bringing your cat in for an examination. And don't wait too long. Cats are experts at hiding pain, so by the time you notice it, they might already be suffering. Tips for comfort. While waiting for your vet appointment, there are ways to make your cat more comfortable. Provide a quiet, cozy space where they can rest. Limit their activity to avoid worsening any injuries. And most importantly, Give them lots of love and reassurance. Avoid giving your cat human pain medications. Many of them are toxic to cats. Always consult your vet before trying any treatment. Prevention is key. Lastly, let's talk about prevention. Regular vet checkups can catch issues before they become painful. Keep your cat at a healthy weight to reduce the risk of joint pain, and provide plenty of mental and physical stimulation to keep them active. A happy, healthy cat is less likely to experience chronic pain. Understanding your cat's pain isn't always easy, but with patience and observation, you can spot the signs early. Remember, you know your cat better than anyone else. Trust your instincts if something feels off. Your quick action could make all the difference in their comfort and health. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and share it with other cat lovers who might need this information. See you next time on Cats Know How. Take care, and give your furry friend a little extra love today.